Hello dear friends. Today I am going to discuss about aryl halides. Myself Dr. V.R. Dangar, MEM Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. Other some examples of aryl or alkyl halide. Here the first example is numbering given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its name 2-bromo 4-methyl pentane. Why this name we given? Because 2-bromo 4-methyl pentane, here bromo is stronger than this alkyl group. Therefore, halogen is stronger than alkyl. Therefore, lowest number is Br. Thus, we gain numbering this side, right to left. In second example, trans 2-chlorocyclohexane. Here number is start OH group. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In cyclohexanol, halogen is trans or cis position, which is used in stereochemistry. Cl group here is lower than OH. Here OH group is stronger than halogen. So first order of numbering is OH group. Therefore, first, second, third, fourth, these are numbering given in this molecule. In third example, it is an alkene. Example of alkene, halogen, cyclic alkene. I had told you, if alkene and halogen are same present in same compound, alkene must be least number. Lowest number should be given to the carbon carried double bond. So here we have to consider double bond carbon stronger than halogen. No two possibility of here there are one you start one carbon and go towards Br at 4 position. There now inversely or reverse, instead of 2 carbon, give numbering first. Br contain 5 number. If you reverse the number, 2 carbon consider. So least number is 4. This right number of 1, 2, 3, 4 position reverse is 5. Number bromine is wrong method. Thus correct name is 4-bromocyclohexane. Common names: name the alkyl group followed by the name of the halide. These examples given: the 2-bromo longest chain considered 2-bromo-butane or secondary butyl bromide. These examples: chloroethene or vinyl chloride. There is 3 carbon and 1 halogen, therefore 3-chloropropene or allyl chloride. One double bond and another is halogen, as I explained earlier. Now what should contain lowest number? alkene carbon should possess lower number, first carbon, second carbon, and halogen is on third carbon or third carbon of propene. Therefore, 3-chloropropene is correct name. In allyl group, where propyl group third carbon or sp3 carbon, so one hydrogen is removable, then it is called allyl of propene. Other dihalide, trihalide or polyhalides nomenclature. Let several polyhaloalkanes are common solvent and are generally referred to by their common or trivial names. First example, CH2, Cl2, dichloromethane, or in bracket trivial name is methylene chloride. Here CH2 is methylene. Therefore, dichloromethane. Di or bi means two. Therefore, dichloromethane. Trivial name is, it should be industrial name or some characteristics from their name is known as trivial names. Second example, CHCl3, UPSC name is trichloromethane or trivial name is chloroform. So here one carbon means methane, trichloro present in single carbon, so it is trichloromethane, not methane, trichloromethane. 3 hydrogen replaced by substituent 3Cl atom, so it is trichloromethane. It is nothing but chloroform. In third example, CH3CCl3, its name 1,1-trichloroethane or methyl chloroform. First of all, find out how many carbons are there. There are only 2 carbons. Therefore, 2 carbon. So it is ethane. All 3 hydrogen of ethane replaced by 3Cl atom. Now 1 carbon contain 3Cl atom. Therefore, 1,1-trichloroethane is a UPSC name and methyl chloroform is trivial name. In fourth example, CCl2 is equal to CHCl, trichloroethene or trichloroethylene, or trivial name is trichlor. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons atom parent compound is called ethylene. It is also known as trichlor. Here the 2 hydrogen replaced by 2Cl and second carbon 1H is substituted third Cl atom. Ethene is CH2 double bond CH2. There is no need indicate number or position which Cl is present in other halogen. For example, hydrocarbons in which all hydrogen are replaced by the halogen are commonly named as perhaloalkanes. or per halo alkenes. This is the first example: per chloroethane, per fluoropropane and per chloroethylene. No need to indicate here position. All first example, all hydrogen replaced by Cl. Here is ethane parent compound, 2 carbon atoms are there, therefore it is ethane. So all hydrogen substituted by halogen is called per chloroethane. Same number, same name, and here 3 number of carbon, therefore propane. Per fluoropropane, per chloron, here ethylene group, 2 carbon ethylene parent compounds, therefore per chloroethylene. Common names of halides. First is CH2X2, called methylene halide. Here CH2 is methylene and X is halogen or halide. So which are examples of CH2X2? I have already mentioned CH2 is methylene, or CH3 is methyl group. Here CH2X2 methylene halide. Both hydrogen replaced by 2 halide or halogen from parent methane compounds. So its name methylene halide. Second, CHX3 is a halo form. For example, very common name is, if we taken as X is equal to Cl, if CHCl3 is general name is haloform or chloroform. If Br taken there, therefore CHBr3, bromophore as well. If CHI3, its name is iodoform. These are all haloform. Third example, general common name CX4 is carbon tetrahalide. Carbon tetrahalide. For example, here CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. It is a common solvent. CTC, also short name of carbon tetrachloride. CCl4, CBr4, like that. CBr4, carbon tetrabromide. Common halogenated solvent. Cl2 is methylene chloride, CHCl3 is chloroform, CCl4 is carbon tetrachloride or CTC. Alkyl halides classification. First, methyl halides, halide which attach to a methyl group. Halide group or halogen is directly attached to carbon of methyl or alkyl group. Here is methyl or primary alkyl halide. Carbon to which halogen is bonded is attached to only one other carbon. So it is called primary or 10RX, general form primary alkyl halide. RX means alkyl halide, primary means 1 degree or 10 superscript of 1, the primary alkyl. For example, RCH2X, primary alkyl halide are Ca2X, where X is associated or substituted attached only other carbon atom. Halogen is attached to the carbon, that is only attached one another carbon atom is known as primary alkyl halide. In secondary alkyl halide, carbon to which halogen is bonded is attached to two other carbons. In general term, secondary alkyl halide is equal to RCH R dash X. Secondary alkyl halide, where carbon which halogen is bonded carbon attached to two other carbon atom bonded with other two carbon atoms. Tertiary alkyl halide, carbon to which halogen is bonded is attached to the three other carbon. General form of tertiary alkyl halide R C R dash R double dash X. In tertiary alkyl halide, tertiary means 3 carbon having other 3 carbon attached. Carbon having 4 valency are there. Primary valency is substituted 1 more carbon atom. Secondary valency, carbon out of 4 valency, 2 substituent. And tertiary alkyl halide, out of 4 valency, 3 valency are occupied, substituent 3 carbon, it is tertiary carbon. If X is present, that tertiary carbon, that X should be tertiary alkyl halide. Halogen is bonded, that carbon halogenated carbon which attach 3 other carbon atoms is tertiary or tertiary alkyl halide.